Maximizers, and welcome to Build a Business with Chris, the place for you to learn how to build a profitable business that you love. I'm your business coach, Chris the Maximizer. In today's video, we're going to be talking about selling on YouTube. YouTube is by far my favorite social media platform, and we've been talking about YouTube all week. If you haven't watched those videos, definitely check them out right here. But YouTube is by far my favorite platform, and it's the first platform I actually made my first sales on. So I want to chat with you about how you can sell on YouTube. So let's dig right on in. First things first, you need an audience. If you do not already have some subscribers on YouTube, I want you to check out my videos on how to build an audience. You want to have at least a couple hundred subscribers on your YouTube channel before you start selling, okay? I say you need to have at least 300 to 400 before you actually start selling. Can you sell with less? Absolutely. But it is going to be to your benefit to have a little bit of an audience built up before you start selling. So if you don't have an audience, go check out how to build your audience. If you do have an audience, this is the right place to be. These tips are definitely focused around service-based business owners. So my first tip for you is to show up consistently. As a service-based business owner, consistently for your sales is going to be 2 videos a week. You want to be making 2 videos a week where you are connecting with your ideal client. So in your videos, you want to be sharing the what and the why of your business and the what and the why of your offer when you get to the sales pitch. So in those 2 videos, you want to be educating, motivating, and inspiring your audience. At some point in the video, for about a minute or so, you are going to share about your offer. But you want to have connected with your audience for at least 5 or 6 minutes before you jump in and ask for the sale, okay? So you want to make sure that you are connecting with your audience and then asking for the sale. But you want to show up consistently in doing that. And remember, you should already have a little bit of an audience built already, so you're not looking to bring a lot more new people in. You're looking to sell to the people who are already existingly in your audience. And to do that, you have to show up consistently for them. My second tip for making sales on YouTube is to create a dedicated video that's unlisted that specifically shares the details of your offer. So whenever I sell my group coaching program, I sell my one-on-one, or if I sell my live boot camp, if I sell a workshop, a masterclass, I sit down and I create a 2 to 3 minute, what they like to call a sales letter, where basically I am telling you, if you join the live boot camp, this is what you get. If you join the one-on-one, this is what you get. If you join my 12-month group coaching program, this is what you get and this is what it looks like. Now, this is important because in your long-form videos, the 2 that you're doing per week when you're connecting with your audience, when you mention your offer, you can pop that video up for them to watch. It's unlisted, but when you share the link, anyone can watch it. When you are sending emails out to your email list, you can link this unlisted video to share all of the details about your offer. So it's definitely to your benefit to do that. I've done that with tons of my coaching programs, and it's really helped to let my audience know this is specifically what I'm selling, and this is specifically how it's going to help you, and this video is detailed about it. So in my connection videos, I don't have to go into detail, every single nitty-gritty detail about the offer. I can just say, if you're struggling with this, if you need help with this offer is for you. Here's why this offer is for you. If you want more details about this offer, you can click this link. It's in the description box. So you're not taking so much of your time selling in your content. Your main focus of your content is connection. And then that video that's all about the offer, it does the heavy lifting of selling the offer for you. My third tip for you is whenever you are selling, not just on YouTube, but on any platform, you want to position your offer, which is the thing that you're selling, as a solution to a problem. So when I was a coupon coach and I was teaching women how to save money, I am offering you a solution to your problem of not being able to save money, of always busting your budget and not being able to use coupons effectively. You still feel like you're spending too much at the register? My program is going to help you solve that problem. As a business coach, you want to grow your business. You want to make more sales. You want to be better with your content. I am offering my one-on-one coaching as a solution to your problem. When you are selling, it's focused on your ideal client 100%. Why is this helpful for them? Why is this going to change their life? Why is this going to help them? How is this going to solve the problem that they want solved? So always position your offer as a solution to a problem that your audience wants to solve. And when you are in your connection content, refer to how your offer does that. So if I'm sharing with you how to use YouTube to sell, In my one-on-one coaching, I help one of my clients who has a really good YouTube channel, over 10,000 subscribers on, maybe she has more than that. I think she has well over 10,000 YouTube subscribers on her YouTube channel. We talk about her content all the time. We plan out her content. We plan out what she's going to sell. We plan out how she's going to sell that on her YouTube channel. And we do all of that within one-on-one coaching. And then I keep going. I literally refer to my program as an example, as a solution to my client's problem. And then I keep talking throughout my video. So you just want to make sure that anytime you are mentioning your offer, you're mentioning it from the standpoint of this is a solution for your problem that you want to get solved. And my next big tip for selling on YouTube is to go live. Go live and sell. I want you to go live, and the content that you were talking about during the week, take some of those key tips and share them on your live. Engage with your audience. I want you to respond to their comments. I want you to welcome them into the live. I want you to answer their questions. I want you to ask them questions. I want you to engage with them. I want you to have them commenting in the comments, in the chat. I want you celebrating them. I want you hyping them up. I want you to be engaged with them. And while you're on your live, you're going to sell your offer. You're going to position your offer as a solution to their problem. You can also do this in your shorts. Now, shorts are just 60 seconds. So I would suggest you use shorts to connect and then bring them over to your dedicated sales video, okay? Your dedicated video where you're going to be selling. So make sure you go live. Make sure you hype up your audience. Make sure you engage with them. And that's another key way that I was able to make a lot of sales early on in my business, was going live and sharing with my ideal client my offer from the perspective of this is going to help you solve a problem, but then most importantly, allowing them to ask me questions about my offer, about my coaching, about my industry, and then answering them. This builds that know, like, and trust factor. Thus, people are going to be more inept to buy from you a lot faster. So these are my top tips for selling on YouTube. Let me know what questions you have down in the comments. And if you are ready to grow your business with YouTube or another social media platform, I'd love to help you in my one-on-one coaching. So go book a free sales call at KristaMaximizer.com. Click on book a call or the links in the description box, and let's chat about what it would look like to work together to help you make more sales on social media. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.